Hi everybody, this is Jill for today. Thank you for coming into my kitchen. Well, if you might recall, a short time ago I did a review on the IntreLife electric salt and pepper grinders, and they are so wonderful. I will leave you a link so you can take a look at that review. Well, they now have sent a beautiful electric wine opener and asked if we might review that as well. So I'll show you all the different parts that come to it, and then we will do a demonstration. So you get this beautiful wine cork opener. It has a USB plug right there. So you get that, and you get the USB cord. Now, of course, you'll need to supply your own plug, but the cord does come with it. And again, as I said, it's rechargeable. You get the foil cutter that, you know, when you have a foil cap, this cuts that foil off for you. And then it's this lovely little stopper, and what's so really neat about it is it has dates on it, so you can actually date it the day that you open your wine and put the stopper back in it. So it also comes with in a nice little instruction pamphlet, and this is what the box looks like. And of course you will need to have a bottle of wine. So let's get set up and we will do a demonstration. So we're going to start off with the foil remover. It just sits on top there, kind of pops on a little bit. You're going to hold on to your bottle and just kind of turn it around a few times like that. And now it's cutting the foil. There it is from that wine bottle. Your cork is now exposed, ready to be removed with the wonderful IntreLife wine cork remover. One of those ends goes on top of that cork. Hit that button, and it's going to go down in, collect that cork, and it is now extracting the cork from the bottle. There's no little pieces of cork in the bottle. It comes out very, very clean. And look at here. Here comes the cork. It extracts it from the bottle, and then it extracts it from the wine cork opener. Now you have this wonderful wine, and you're going to have a glass, and when you have some left over and you want to make sure it stays fresh, you have a stopper, and it has the numbers around the circumference or the surrounding of it of 31 days. Mark it the day that you are sealing that wine up. The other end has a pressure type of device, and it's pushing that stopper down into that wine bottle. How about that? So it's going to stay fresh. Thank you so much to the people from IntreLife for allowing us to do this bottle opener review. We hope you'll check out the link that they have down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.